Hey guys, we're just going to spend some time today and learn how to use Punnett Squares. I asked a question yesterday when you were doing your baby activity. How can you predict the genome and phenotypes of offspring? Here's a graphic that kind of shows you a model or some thinking that you could have used when you were coming up with your possible offspring. But the tool that scientists use is something called a Punnett Square. And Punnett Squares are used to understand patterns of heredity. They show possible outcomes for inheritance by showing possible allele combinations. So take a few minutes and study this Punnett Square. If you notice, we put one set of parents on the top, one set of parents on the bottom, and we can figure out what's going on in each parent. Use the square to find possible combinations of alleles. In box 1, you should write big D, big D. In box 2, big D, little d. Take a second and think about what you should put in boxes 3 and 4. In box 3, did you say big D, little d? And in box 4, did you say little d, little d? We're going to spend a little bit of time looking at Punnett Squares. Use some scratch paper to see if you can figure out the possible combinations of these two parents. Pause the video and do your work. Analyze your Punnett Square that you have created. Is this what you came up with? Once you fill in your Punnett Square, you're going to have to analyze the results. The first step is list possible genotypes, create the ratio for each genotype, identify the phenotypes, and calculate the percentage of offspring with each phenotype. Below at the bottom is a sample answer. If you need help, just ask your teacher. Now I want you to take your big T, little t square and analyze it. Once you're done, talk with your teacher if you have any questions. Go ahead and check your work. Is this the answer you came up with? If you did, you're ready to progress with practice. If you didn't, you need to have a little more instruction. Just talk to your teacher.